Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we cover logical operators. As we already discussed arithmetic operator and comparison operators in our previous two videos. And if you didn't watch that videos till now, please go and watch that videos. I share the link in I button and also in the description. So let's get started with logical operators.
Logical operators are used to combine conditional statement. We can also say that logical operators are used to combine two Boolean expressions like x is smaller than 5 is one expression and x is smaller than 10 is second expression, and we combine these two expressions with the help of AND operator. In logical operators, we have three operators: AND, OR, and NOT. For AND operators, we need these two expressions should be true. Both these expressions, if true, then it returns the true result. And if any one of these expression is false, then it returns the false result. Now comes to the OR operators. In this, x is smaller than 5 or x is smaller than 4. These are two expressions, and if any one of these expression is true, then the result will be true. And the result only return false if both these expressions are false. Now comes to the NOT operator. NOT operator simply reverse the result which comes with the expression. Like if the result come with this x is smaller than 5 and x is smaller than 10. Let's suppose x is 2. Then the result is true. But if we use NOT operator, it return false. And let's suppose the x value is 12, then this expression is false. And we use this expression with NOT operator. Then it returned true. It is more clear when we do practical. Let's go to the practical part. Let's define x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 6. Now start with AND operator. X is greater than 1 and y is smaller than 10. Let's see the result, which is true, as x is 5 and 5 is greater than 1 and y value is 6, which is also greater than 10. If we define y is equals to 16 and run the cell and again, then it return false because one expression is true but another expression is false. For AND, we need both will be the true. Okay. Now use this same expression and add OR operator. Let's see, it returned true because x greater than 1 is, so for OR operator, we need at least one expression will be true. If we reverse the, like x is smaller than y, sorry, x is smaller than 1, then it return false because both expression is false. Now comes to the NOT operator. Let's define x is equals to 10. Now give expression like x is smaller than 11, which is true. Now use the NOT operator and put this expression inside the parenthesis. Now see the result, which is false. And if we change it to 9, Now change here also. It returned true. As the result is false, the expression result is false, and not operator simply reverse the result of the expression. If the result is true, it returns false, and if the result is false, it returns true. Hope this logical operator is clear to all of you.
That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. And if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting video. Thank you.